Let's look briefly at the headlines today, what the papers are saying. The Wall Street Journal, of course, talking about the tariffs erasing the economy's solid outlook. Now talk of recession, over 50%. UConn wins, Mika, and that's nice. I will say a story we're going to be getting to, and one that is deeply disturbing, is Trump eroding cyber defenses as perils increase. We're going to be talking about that in a bit. Of course, the reports of Laura Loomer going in, a conspiracy theorist going into the White House and demanding the firing of top NSA officials. They were, in fact, fired. And the most disturbing on the Hill, but again, we'll see if Republicans actually do anything about it, say anything about it. The most disturbing, of course, being the man who's been in charge of America's cyber defense and has done a pretty damn good job. And this firing coming at a time when, in fact, China and Russia and other countries are more aggressively trying to break into America's cyber defenses, and China, of course, having opportunities. This was on the front page of Sunday Opinion, the New York Times, and this pretty much sums it up. The world wakes up to a new global reality. The economy is deflating. I just want to say, as we go through the next 4 hours, I think it's important. We see here, you see here that banks and, of course, Wall Street, big losers down below low. You see one of the reasons maybe that Ted Cruz was talking about a bloodletting is because oil right now is just collapsing. It's being driven down towards 60, so we're having recessions on every front. But I just want you to, as we go through this and we talk about it, we're going to be talking a lot about Wall Street. We're going to be talking about global markets. I just want you to realize that this weekend and today, this weekend, what you saw and what you're going to see today is you're going to see billionaires that work in the administration talking on networks that are pretending like there's nothing to see here. They're going to be talking to hosts who are millionaires, who are going to be telling middle class and working class Americans, small business owners, entrepreneurs, people that have spent their entire lives building up their family restaurants, or their family businesses, or their family, I don't know, import-export businesses. They're going to tell them, don't worry, nothing to worry about. This had to be done. And it's just important that you remember, as you're looking at everybody on Wall Street, looking at screens like this, small business people, right? Family business owners, working class Americans are the ones who are not going to be protected in the end. We learned this in 2008, right? How many bankers went to jail? How many traders went to jail? I think one, maybe. So as we talk about this, and we're at 30,000 feet talking about the stock market and talking about banks and talking about oil and talking about all the people that are being hurt, those trickle-down effects are going to be felt by working Americans who can afford it the least. And they're being told by billionaires that there's nothing to see here. They're being told by millionaire talking heads on other networks, there's nothing to see here. It's a war that we had to enter. No, let's be very clear here. Regardless of how you feel about tariffs, this is a self-induced war that we started. All right? This is voluntary. I spent 3 months after the election warning Republicans they needed to be careful. 3 months. We've got about 10 minutes of clips we could play you. We've already done it before. I could play it again. 10 minutes of clips saying, be very careful. We have the strongest economy in the world, but we have bubbles in the market, stock market. We have bubbles in crypto. We have a fiscal bubble. Be very careful, manage it wisely, and we will continue to see working Americans taken care of. That's not happening right now. So it's going to be fascinating to see what happens this week. What's going to happen this week with Republicans? Are they really Republicans? By the way, Republicans in Congress have the power. Have the power to not stop it, to moderate it, to pick certain countries that they think it's gone too far. Like, there are some Republicans speaking out. Chuck Grassley has spoken out about it. Ben Shapiro says it's unconstitutional. Bill Ackman, he saw the light. How could Bill Ackman ever have seen this coming? How could, wait a second. This is exactly what Donald Trump promised for years. In fact, he's been talking about this since 1987, all right? So he believes in this. So people on Wall Street go, oh, my God, I'm so shocked. How could this ever happen? I supported him, but I really didn't think he was. What do you mean? He's been saying tariffs are beautiful, beautiful things, while the rest of the world has been saying, no, they're not. They're dangerous. Mm-hmm. This is what made the Great Depression extraordinarily bad and extended it. Right? So you knew Bill Ackman. I'm sorry somebody at a college said something that offended you. I'm sorry, we've got to fight against the woke word. Well, I agree with that, too. But you don't have to do it by blowing up the world economy. So we'll see what happens. But here's the thing. Always remember, if you hear anybody today, tomorrow, next week say, oh, this had to be, no, that's not true. That's doublespeak. And if you hear Republicans saying we can't do anything about it, that's just a lie. That's just a lie. They have the constitutional power to decide, are 49% tariffs too much on Vietnam? Maybe it should be 20%. Let's round off the edges. Let's make it a little less tough on American businesses. EU, are those too tough? Let's negotiate. Let's talk to the president. Maybe we can come together and come up with something that's not quite as extreme. You're not going to see that this week. You may not even see it next week. I just want you to know, though, when they're telling you this has to be done, that's not true. And when they're telling you, these Republicans on the Hill, we can't do anything about it, well, that's just a lie.